Hi, my name is Ryan Shank. I had internships with various museums where my focus was on making videos, including 2 summers here at the National Air and Space Museum. After my last internship, I moved to DC permanently, graduated with a master's in museum studies from George Washington University, and now I'm the video editor and producer for this show, STEM in 30. A lot of the skills I developed as an intern correlate directly into my professional career, from planning video content to operating the camera or even interviewing guests, and in charge of syncing, clipping, and moving all the video and audio pieces along this timeline. I'm even editing this show you are watching now.
My name is Quinton Basnaw. During the summer before my final semester, I interned for the National Air and Space Museum in DC. I worked with Ryan and the other interns editing, producing, and filming all kinds of content for STEM in 30. The internship showed me the wonders of DC, and I experienced living on my own for the first time. Upon graduating in 2019, I interned for the Pete for America presidential campaign. Much like DC, I was involved with editing, producing, and filming lots of content. Once the campaign ended, I went to work for AE Techron. I'm their lead videographer and continue my journey of editing, producing, and filming video content for all of you to see.
Hi, I'm Lexi, and I'm currently studying cinema and photography at Ithaca College. Film is a really diverse category. I've spent a few years and a few internships exploring all of the possible fields I could work in. In my junior year, I got an amazing opportunity to intern under a producer for the Washington Capitals. It was a valuable experience that gave me insight into live broadcasting, specifically in the sports world. That summer, I also began working at the Bowie Bay Sox, the AA affiliate team for the Baltimore Orioles, as the streaming director. My most recent internship has been with the STEM in 30 team at the National Air and Space Museum, and between the live broadcasts, filming in the virtual world, and working on productions tailored toward different audiences, it's opened my interest to even more possible paths that I could take. Without my internships, I don't believe I would have been able to explore so many production paths, let alone have the chance to experience any of them.
Hi, my name's also Lexi, and just like Ryan, I studied museum studies at George Washington University. During my time as a student, I interned in some incredible places, including the National Zoo, the Smithsonian Libraries, and finally here at Air and Space. I even helped create this episode of STEM in 30 you are watching right now. My internships helped me build skills I can use in my career and let me apply things I was learning in school to the real world.
Internships can be a great way to launch your career. When the time is right, be sure to apply to intern with us here at the National Air and Space Museum.
Internships can be a great way to launch your career. What kind of internship would you like to have? To learn more about careers, check out our full STEM in 30 episode, Launch Your Career. And be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and subscribe to the National Air and Space Museum's YouTube channel.